Although Lambda 2.0 is intended for the blind, its documents should also be usable by those who can see through the screen, or a normal ink printer. In education, the contribution of the teacher is crucial, who must be able to follow the entire teaching process, not just examine and evaluate the final work. What most characterizes a blind student's way of doing mathematics is the linearity of his code, not so much the use of Braille and other special equipment. To be of real help to him, the teacher must understand all the consequences that this type of approach entails. For example, the need to use markers that are not necessary in graphic notation, the risks of error associated with their use, the major difficulties encountered in working with fractional objects, for example finding the common denominator to add algebraic fractions, the strategies to be used to manipulate the document using the keyboard instead of pen and paper. The pupil must be helped in this, and it is obviously up to his teacher to do so. To enable this, the Lambda 2.0 system shows the mathematical text on the screen in linear mode, in full correspondence with what appears on the Braille display, using a textual graphic font. Symbols that do not have a conventional representation are represented with specially designed fonts that show the meaning of the text as clearly and immediately as possible. Lambda via menu or F4 key produces a traditional two-dimensional graphic display. In such a visualization, no automatic correction of Lambda syntax has been chosen, and any writing is accepted in the graphical format, even that which is incorrect in structure. Should the Braille mathematical syntactic structure not be written correctly, this would only adversely affect the handling of certain compensatory tools that Lambda offers, tools that require structure recognition, such as, for example, the structure viewer, F8, or the expression duplicator, Ctrl+D. Thanks to the graphical representation, the teacher can become even more aware of any errors made by the student, even if they are syntactical in nature.